Hello everyone! Welcome to Listen and Learn English channel. Thank you very much for joining me today. In this channel, we practice English together, step by step. We listen, we learn, and we improve every day. Today's topic is Daily English Talk. This podcast is for beginners and intermediate learners. Do not worry if your English is not perfect. You only need to listen, relax, and enjoy the learning process. Learning English is not a race. It is a journey. You walk slowly, but you move forward every day. If you listen to English daily, even for 10 minutes, your skills will grow naturally. Let's start with the morning. Morning is a fresh beginning. Many people wake up around 6 or 7 a.m. When you wake up, you can say simple English sentences like, "Good morning. Today is a new day. I will do my best today." After waking up, some people brush their teeth, wash their face, and take a shower. You can describe these actions in English. For example, I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my face. I am taking a shower. These sentences are very simple, but they help your speaking skill. You do not need difficult grammar. Simple present and present continuous are enough for daily English. After getting ready, many people drink coffee or tea. Some people eat breakfast. Breakfast is important because it gives us energy. You can say, I am having breakfast. I am drinking coffee. I am eating bread and eggs. When you speak like this every day, your brain becomes familiar with English. After the morning routine, people usually go to work or school. Some people study at home. Some people work online. Wherever you go, you can still practice English. When you leave your house, you can say, I am going out now. I am going to work. I am going to school. If you take a bus, you can say, I am waiting for the bus. The bus is coming. I am sitting on the bus. If you walk, you can say, I am walking to my office. The weather is nice today. It is sunny. It is cloudy. Describing the weather is a very good English practice. Weather words are easy and useful. When you arrive at work or school, you start your tasks. You can use English even if you are alone. Talking to yourself in English is a good method. For example, I am opening my computer. I am checking my emails. I am studying English now. I am reading a book. You can also say, this is difficult. This is easy. I understand this. I will try again. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. The important thing is to continue. In the afternoon, many people feel tired or sleepy. This is normal because our energy goes down. At this time, you can take a short break. You can say, I need a break. I am feeling tired. I will rest for a few minutes. During your break, you can listen to English audio or watch a short English video. 5 or 10 minutes is enough. Small practice every day is better than long practice once a week. You can also learn new vocabulary. For example, choose 5 new words each day. Repeat them aloud. Use them in sentences. This habit will improve your vocabulary quickly. In the evening, people usually relax. Some watch TV, some use their phones, some talk with family or friends. You can still practice English during relaxation time. You can watch English movies with subtitles. You can listen to English music. You can follow English podcasts like this one. For example, you can say, I am watching a movie. I am listening to music. I am talking with my friend. I am learning new words. English learning does not always mean sitting at a desk. You can learn while walking, cooking, or resting. If you have friends who also want to learn English, you can practice together. You can ask simple questions like, how are you? What are you doing? Did you have a good day? You can answer, I am fine. I am studying English. My day was busy. My day was good. Short conversations build confidence. Confidence is very important. When you feel confident, you speak more. When you speak more, you improve faster. Before going to sleep, you can review your day in English. This is called reflection. It helps your memory and speaking skill. You can say, today was a good day. I learned new words. I practiced listening. I will try again tomorrow. These sentences are simple but powerful. They make your mind positive. A positive mind helps you learn better. Learning English sometimes feels difficult. You may feel slow. You may feel shy. But remember, every expert was once a beginner. Do not compare yourself with others. Everyone has a different speed. Some learn fast, some learn slowly. Both are okay. The key is consistency. Practice a little every day. Even 10 minutes daily can change your future. Think of English like a plant. If you water it every day, it grows. If you stop watering, it dries. So keep watering your English with listening and speaking. Thank you very much for listening today. You are doing something good for yourself. Every minute you spend learning English is an investment in your future. Keep listening, keep learning, keep speaking. This is Listen and Learn English channel. We listen together, we learn together, and we grow together. See you in the next podcast. Have a wonderful day and never stop learning English.